Hey folks, welcome. Well, wait a minute, I'm gonna try this anyway. Out here in Houston, Texas, doing some chainsaw work. Have family here, and Hurricane Ike really did a number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive you through a neighborhood near where I grew up. And although it's a week later, kind of give you an idea of what some of this stuff looks like, what the cleanup efforts look like. Not so bad here because I'm in a commercial area. Power just came on back here finally after a week. Over there's a generator for that school. See that going by and see these kind of limbs down and whatnot. But man, you gotta love human ingenuity, because you know, look at that. It's a lot of work, folks, man. Like the Amazon jungle here. Let's see. Here, fences out. Some cleanup efforts down there. Really cleaning up down there. Look at that. The tree just came right down, split down in half. And here we go. These folks are still cleaning up. Kind of funny because some of these homes have power, some don't. Like one street will have power, one street doesn't. It's funny how that works. At least the locusts are happy. They're cheering. Oh man. But that's about it. Here's some more stuff. Here's a root of a pine tree that came up. It's amazing, these pines around here, they're big and tall. There's your sub pump area, man. They never went down. So they had running water. Okay. Look at this. Of course they sawed it down, but that's all the root looks like right there. Isn't that amazing? That was a big old pine though. Let's see what we have down here. Yeah, split tree there. I got lucky over here. Some places the fences are just down everywhere. Then we're almost to our destination here. Okay, let's see. See, you can hear the generators going. We'll get up on one. There you go. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Look at that tree, it's just hanging on there. Y'all see that? Let's see. If I can see it. It's that tree and it's falling over. Hanging by a thread before it goes on that roof. Unreal. Yep. Fence propped up. Alrighty then. Well, anyway, just a little glimpse of Hurricane Ike cleanup. Thanks for riding with us, and we'll be back with you later.